morning, everyone. It is like 9 o'clock, I believe, and we're going to the gym right now. I kind of had to rush my morning routine. I started off slower, but then I started off in a slow morning, and then I realized that I had to like get to the office by 11 today, so I had to rush it. Anyway, so we're going to the gym, and I'm coming home and getting ready, and I'm going into work. And later I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about what I do for work and where I'm going today, which I'm really excited to talk about. But for right now, we're headed to the gym. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 9. We're gonna have a fun day today. Today's been a rush morning. I'm in the elevator down to my Uber to go to work. I put my green juice in a jar and hurry got ready, and now I'm headed off. But I'll have to tell you guys about my job later, but I'm really excited. I'm going to a private wellness club to work today, and I'll bring you guys along with me and everything. So let's go. It's a chaotic morning, but I'm gonna turn it into a productive, chill, relaxed day. Walking home right now, and it is freezing cold because when I left for work I forgot my coat because I was in such a large rush. So that's what's going on. Good news is that I don't live far from my work, but since I'm on this walk, I thought I'd tell you guys I started my own social media agency, I guess you could call it. It's like a mini social media agency, and I just run other people's social media, and a lot of my clients are in Utah, but I just got this new client in Chicago, and I just showed you guys the space, and it's a private wellness club. It's called Beyond, and they have a gym there, they have classes, they have like medical professionals with like things like facials, Botox, acupuncture, massage. They have infrared sauna, light therapy, cold plunge. They have a full gym with classes, and then they have an upstairs co-working space that also serves as like a restaurant, coffee bar, and then they have like social events up there. It's a really cool place, and I just started doing their social media, which I'm really excited about. So that's where I went today, because I get to use their facility because I work there, and I'm super excited just to go in and do all my work there because it's like so nice, and it's a great place to network as well. So I thought I'd just give you guys a little bit more about me and what I do for work. And yeah, so now I'm almost back to my apartment. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go make some lunch, and I still have a little bit of more work to do. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. Like I said, I was rushed at the beginning, but it's fine. We're doing just great. Whipped up these medley baby potatoes, and then I also have this lemon basil pesto tortellini salad. And yeah, this is like, I was just craving these two things, so random, but this is gonna be my lunch for today. Okay, so I got some magic erase markers, and if you saw my video yesterday, there's still like marks on the wall, so I'm going to get them all off with this. I've already started, but I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I just went through and put the magic eraser on the scuffs, and they're gone. And it looks so much better already. I'll have to see in the daylight, but I did all the walls. Now I'm excited. Now I can buy like a mirror and art and all those things. We just got this mirror hung in our living room. It makes me look so short, but it just works for me for now before I get my actual mirror in, but it'll be good so I can actually check out my outfits. And then we also got our TV hung, which we had a TV here before, but it's just like this whole situation. So now this one is hung. That pumpkin is like no longer Halloween, so we need to get rid of that pumpkin. But then we have our couch and everything. It's so fun because everything is like red and green for Christmas. So we have like those two buildings are red and green. And then come over here. And then like there's a building over there that's red and green. Like those are red and green. That flashes red and green. So it's kind of fun because like everyone does their lights, like down here is red and green. So it's just fun for the holiday time and getting into the holiday spirit. But yeah, that's kind of the update. I'm going to take the big box down to the recycling that my bed came in. So I need to go do that and then make some dinner later. Really, I've just been like relaxing for the past few hours. I edited a vlog, finished up some work stuff, and so yeah, it's been just like very relaxing and chill. So I'm gonna take this down. I'm probably gonna change into like cozier outfit for dinner and then make some dinner and probably watch like a Christmas show on the new TV since it's up and we can like actually hang out in the living room and watch it instead of like watching it. Last night I watched a show on my computer, but it's fine. But yeah, those are all the things that are happening. All right guys, it's time for dinner. I feel like I don't want to make a mess because the cleaning lady came today, but I've got to make dinner. So I'm gonna make chicken with a side salad. Yeah, that sounds good to me. So let's get started. I'm gonna do all natural chicken. This harvest apple salad from Trader Joe's. I might add some of my own ingredients to this. Yeah, maybe like some blueberries or something, but I never tried this. I don't think, so I'm excited. But I'm gonna prep the chicken first. My chicken salad. It looks so good, so easy, so quick. I'm gonna eat this and probably just watch a show. So I don't know what show yet, but I'm so excited to eat this. It looks so good. Okay, I just made some tea and I'm going to enjoy this and just go to bed. I feel like I had a productive day work-wise, which is like hard to show on camera, but I just put the dishes in the dishwasher and I'm going to drink my tea, relax, possibly watch a show, and head off to bed. So I just wanted to end off the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10. And yes, hope you guys have a great day. Love ya.